Here we will show a scaled-down version of a decontamination layout. For this example, we have 1, 2, and 3 pools. Here is where our decon layout will be. These boards represent 5/8" plywood used to make the pools. These notches are used to put the boards together to form the pools. Here, we have painted the ends black to indicate they can hold 2 boards next to each other. We start by laying out a large sheet of 6mm clear plastic. Then, we assemble our pools using the notches in the boards. Again, these black boards go in the middle to hold another board. That allows us to put another pool here with 3 more boards. This method would allow you a 1-pool, 2-pool, 3-pool, or even a 4-pool decon layout, or whatever your needs. You can even put a pool out to the side. With our plastic laid out and our pools assembled, now we put more plastic on top. We tuck in the ends here to form our pools. Next, we put down a second layer of plastic to form our pools. Remember, the clear plastic we use is 6mm, and we are using 2 layers for added thickness. Colored plastic is not recommended at all, as it is very slippery. While this has been a small model, shortly we will show you in more detail how to make this entire layout.